Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be discussing about what's going on with Automatic. So if you haven't heard, Automatic is shutting down on May 28th due to COVID-19. So let's go through the FAQ and then see what my next steps are since Automatic is shutting down. So here's the customer FAQ page. And the first question is, why is Automatic shutting down and discontinuing the automatic connected car service? Like many other companies in the US, COVID-19 has adversely impacted our business. With fewer consumers purchasing and leasing vehicles and drivers on the road, we unfortunately do not see a path forward in our business. These unprecedented times with so much uncertainty ahead, we made the difficult decision to discontinue the automatic connected car product service platform, and it was shut down on May 28th. So that's coming up pretty soon. So what I've done is I already removed my automatic from my car, and I am going to switch to an app-based expense tracking system. Okay, so next question is, when will my automatic service end? It'll be shutting down 11:59 p.m. Pacific time on May 28th. It's all the features, everything, the whole service is going down. It's not gonna come back up. So that's why I removed mine already to get used to life without the automatic. And I've had the automatic since 2014, so 6 years worth of data. And I mainly use it for tracking expenses, mileage. So I'll be using a different app now for that, as I said earlier. Okay, so what should I do with my automatic adapter? We ask that you discard your adapter by following standard electronic recycling procedures. You don't need to send it back to automatic, as they will be shutting down. And then will there be road assistance after? There wouldn't be, because they're shutting down. And would there be a migration of automatic service leading up to May 28th? And there's no. It'll still behave the same, but it's probably best to get off it since they are discontinuing. So how do I continue service with third-party apps? I connect to my automatic service, including Paytolio. Your service and integrations with third-party apps will remain active until May 28th. All login credentials used for the login with automatic function with service and third-party will terminate June 28th. And June 28th is the last day you can get your data, so you better do that soon. And then they will shut down. Also, they will keep some data for legal purposes. Automatic users will, with a connected Paytolio account, will receive instructions from Paytolio, including the steps required to move your account to the Paytolio app. For help, you can contact support@paytolio.com. Alright. And what this FAQ doesn't show is the rebate eligibility. So to get a rebate from your automatic purchase, what you do is you need to buy a automatic Pro or Lite and have it activated before April 30th of this year, or have purchased a automatic connected car assistant, whether activated or not. Be able to verify your information, including the PIN and email address associated with your account. Completion of the rebate request form by June 15th. And then here it goes in, if you buy from automatic, a retailer, in-store or online, you will get a rebate amount that will be determined by the usage of your automatic service in relation to the purchase price listed below. So I have the Pro, this is what I'll get. possibly. I did have it for 6 years, so we will see. And customers who can provide the original receipt showing the automatic purchase from the retailer will have it based on their purchase price. And I have my original receipt because I bought it from Best Buy and they actually have it digitalized. So here it is, Automatic Pro, $129.99 plus tax. So I'll be submitting that. And if you receive from auto dealership, then you do not need to send it back to Automatic, of course. Discard, same procedures. And contact your auto dealership directly. All participating dealers in the automatic dealer program will have been notified of the shutdown and discontinuation of service. If it was a gift, if you purchased an automatic adapter through a private seller or were gifted an automatic adapter by a third party and meet the minimum requirement for eligibility, you may receive a rebate in the amount mentioned above. And how do you get the rebate? You fill out the rebate form, make sure you have the details handy, email, PIN. You can find the PIN on the back. Let me grab it real quick. Alright, so here is my PIN. As you can see here, I had to cover a little bit, so can't claim the rebates. How will the rebate be delivered? It will be sent to an electronic Visa gift card to your email address associated with your automatic account. And how long will it take? It will be 6 to 8 weeks from when, I guess, if you're eligible. And how is the rebate calculated? Rebate amount are calculated based on usage from your first trip taken using automatic devices until automatic services are terminated. The value of the unused service, including premium, trial, subscription, and select subscription services, will be sent to you in the form of an electronic Visa gift card. So now I'm going to go to the rebate request form. Alright, so first it says your adapter purchase location. I bought it at Best Buy. Hit next. Fill in your information here. And then hit next. Alright, so now it's asking for your PIN. So enter your PIN, confirm your PIN. And then if it was issued a warranty. Alright. Okay, so now it says, it talks about rebate amounts. So the rebate amount is based on which device you have. I have the Pro here. And if you pay more than the price below, upload your receipt and your rebate will be prorated to the amount up to MSRP. So luckily I have my receipt and I just gotta upload it. So here, so let's see, automatic Pro receipt. All right. Okay, so here it is, automatic Pro receipt. And then once you've done that, you hit submit request and you should get a confirmation like this. Thank you for your submission. Please allow 6 to 8 weeks to receive your rebate once your information has been verified and approved. For questions related to your rebate or this form, please contact Automatic Customer Care using your adapter PIN for reference. And there you go. That is how you submit your rebate request and updates on what's going on with Automatic since they are shutting down. And I guess I'll have my link for whatever app I decide to use to track my expenses below. So hopefully you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.